How to delete Google account permanently. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to delete your Gmail account or Google account permanently on your device. In order to begin with this procedure, first thing, go ahead and open up a browser. Make sure that you're logged in with the account that you actually wish to delete it, and tap on the username in the top right hand side corner. Then go to manage your Google account. This is going to take you to the Google info page where you need to go ahead and select data and privacy from the left hand side bar. While you're on data and privacy, you need to scroll down a bit, and when you scroll down right to the bottom, you'll be able to find this option that says more options. You'll be able to find this section as more option. Under it, go ahead and select delete your Google account. Now go ahead and tap on it. So first thing, you have to enter in the password in order to verify your identity. So make sure to enter in the account. Once you're done verifying your identity, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to state about that all of your information will be deleted with the account associated. If you're sure about it, click on the delete button, and as soon as you do that, you have successfully deleted your Google or Gmail account. So that's how you can delete your account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.